Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to be unboxing this iPad. So it doesn't really matter which color you guys have. It's going to be the exact same things inside of whichever iPad you guys get, just in case. The setup process with any of these iPads is going to be the same thing as well. So it's going to be another video where I set it up. Right now it's just an unboxing to see what's inside. This box is so tight. There we go. Finally got it out. Alright, so underneath the iPad, let's just see what's underneath the iPad first. So we can check that out. We should get our cable. And there should be a wall charger somewhere in here. And there we go. Here's the wall charger. There we go. So this will go against your wall. Obviously, outlet. And then this will go plug in there. As well, if you guys want to hook this up to your computer, you would use this cable. And you just set that on the side. And inside here, we should see some stuff. Okay, so inside of here, I thought there was something else since there's this thick thing, but it's nothing. It's just to make it sturdy. It's kind of weird. Anyways, what you guys get here, this, and this. So this is just your setup manual. However, it's really easy. We're gonna go through it. So these are the things that you guys get inside the box. Now if you take a look at the new iPad, this is the color of the gold one. Now on the camera itself, it does look a little bit different. This looks very, very pink. So this rose gold, which they choose to say it's just gold now, no longer rose gold, it's very, very much a rose gold look to it. Although here on the camera, it does change the color for some reason once I record. But I can tell you from what I'm seeing, this is very, very rose. There's very little gold to it, but it does have that gold hint to it. On camera, most likely you guys will see that this looks more gold than what it is. So right here we have the camera. So if you guys buy a keyboard, smart keyboard, it's gonna hook up with these things right here. Okay, so these are the connectors kinda. So that will help it connect right away. Down here, it's where we plug in to charge or whatever, speakers. If we look at the side, we're only gonna see two buttons on the top. These are for volume. And at the top, we're gonna see right here, up power. So that's how we turn it on. Okay, so this iPad still includes this. So we can plug in regular headphones. Alright, so luckily they kept that on the iPad. On an iPhone, for example, the newer iPhones, as you guys know, your headphones will be plugged here. However, for iPads, they still have this option, which is great. So that's how it looks like. There's not much into an iPad. From what I see, difference between this and older version iPads, which are a little bit smaller, it's not a huge deal from what I see, screen size, this one and the other ones. I got it all dirty already. That would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, don't forget to ask them down here below in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.